and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. Muffins, muffins and more muffins. Yes, today's recipe is that of muffins. Tutti frutti, fruit flavored muffins. How to make them without oven? Let us see without any further ado. Let us start the making of tutti frutti, fruit flavored muffins.
Look at this baked goodness, golden brown. Fruit flavored with tutti frutti, nice, soft, delicious and homemade. We are making nice and fruity muffins. So for that what I have taken is I have taken 2 eggs and I will just beat them. You see here that the eggs are beaten nicely, so I am just adding salt for taste in this. Give it a nice mix. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of oil. I'm just eyeballing the oil here, but you can use exact measurements and mix everything all together. Now the oil and eggs are mixed nicely, into which I'm going to add sugar. I'm adding half a cup of sugar here. You can see the scaling here on the cup, and I will add 1/4 more. This is another 1/4 cup which I am adding. So in total I have added about 3/4 cup of sugar. Now sugar you can adjust as per to the sweetness you want in the cake. Now mix this mixture very well. Added all the wet ingredients except milk. So what I have done is I have kept a cupful of milk here. We will add as and how required. I am going to take 1.5 cup of refined flour. So this is 1 cup and I am just going to sieve it lightly. The measurements that I have taken, I have leveled the spoon. Now this is half spoon of baking powder and this is 1/4 spoon of baking soda. So I'll just sieve this nicely inside. We have almost mixed all our dry ingredients. What I'm adding here is I'm just adding a little bit of yellow color. Now I will mix everything together, and as and how required we are going to add the milk into this. As we can see here, the cake batter is very thick, so I have taken another 30 ml of milk, out of which I have just added about half. I will first mix and then we will see. Batter is still thick. I am pouring entire 30 ml, so I have added 30 plus 30, 60 ml of milk as of now. The batter is still thick. We want it to be of ribbon like consistency, so I am adding, I have taken 30 ml of milk, but I am adding only 15 ml at the moment, and I will mix this. The detailed recipe is in the description box, so you can refer to description box for the recipe. Now mix everything all together.
And for the fruit flavored muffins, I am adding here half a spoon of vanilla essence, half a spoon of pineapple essence and 1/4 spoon of orange essence.
See, this is the ribbon like consistency that we are looking for. So here our cake mix is ready, into which I am putting in some tutti frutti, and this much I will reserve to put it for the topping. So finally we will give a final mix. Now before pouring in the batter into the muffin molds, I will just show you the baking arrangement that I have done. I have made here 2 arrangements. We are not using an oven, we are using a kadhai. So you can see I have put the kadhai for preheating. I have put in some salt and covered it with a ring. You can use any plate that you have at home. This is really hot at the moment. This is another arrangement that I have made. This is another pot into which I have put in some salt and a ring. So we will cover to maintain the heat. I have taken silicone molds here. You can take whatever mold you may like, because just silicone makes my life easy. So I have taken silicone molds. We will start to fill in these silicone molds with the mixture. I am filling 70% in the mold and I am keeping it in a bowl, you can use anything that you have at home, so it becomes easy to remove from the hot oven that we have made. I've been able to make 9 muffins here with the mixture, and just I will top it with some tutti frutti randomly. Both our trays are ready. So both our trays are ready with our muffins. Now we will chuck these into our prepared oven. So here goes the first one. At the moment you see the flame is at its minimum, but I am going to increase it to low medium for at least 10 minutes, and then again I will mellow the gas down. I will simmer the flame to the minimum. Our muffins are gone into both our ovens which we have made, and now I will cover it and keep it for at least 40 minutes. And at the moment both the flames I have kept it on low medium, but after 10 minutes I will reduce it to low flame. So let these marvelous tutti frutti muffins bake for a good 40 minutes, and I will see you after 40 minutes after they are baked completely. It is 40 minutes. We will just check if the muffins are done. Yes, they seem to be done. They have developed nice cracks. I will just insert a knife and check. Yes, the knife has come out clean. Yeah, so I will turn off the flame and I will allow it to come to room temperature. Just look at the beautiful golden color that the muffins have developed. I will just remove one and show you. See, so this is the muffin. It has uniformly brown and it has also developed a golden tinge here. It is so soft.
If you follow this correctly, your muffins are going to be the best in the world and your kids are going to love it. Do try this recipe and connect with me in the comment section below and share with me how your muffins turned out. The details of the recipe is in the description box. Share your pictures with me on Instagram, and for the coming updates on this very channel, do not forget to click the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a big like and share it to your friends and family. By the time I see you next time, bye for now.